guys. Today we will learn how to find clients through AI agents. In this video, I'll show you how to use Emergent to build an AI workflow that automatically finds targeted leads on LinkedIn, organizes them, and saves you hours of manual work. Let's get started. First, go to Google and search for emergent.sh. Sign up, and once you're logged in, you'll arrive on the dashboard. In the top left corner, you'll see two icons, one for websites and one for bots. Click the bot icon and it will take you to the bots page. Next, click the plus button to create a new bot. You'll then see a list of services you can choose from. You can pick any service depending on what you want your bot to do, but for this tutorial, we're going to select Find Customers. After that, click Start Chatting and you'll be taken to your bot's inbox. This is where you'll receive messages from your bot. You can also connect it to WhatsApp, so you receive updates directly on your phone. Now comes the important part. Head over to ChatGPT and ask it to generate a fully detailed prompt that instructs your bot to automatically find leads through LinkedIn, organize them, and present them in a structured format. Then head back over to Emergent. Paste in the prompt ChatGPT generated, and let your bot get to work. Just sit back and watch it start finding and organizing leads automatically. Once the bot has finished, that's pretty much it for today's video. I actually spent way too many hours editing this, so I'd really appreciate it if you could hit the like button. If there's anything else you'd like to learn, let me know in the comments, and I'll make a video on it. And remember, if the bot finds more clients than you can handle, that's a pretty good problem to have.